Hello YouTube, it's me, Schammy again, and today we are just gonna talk a little bit. So, today we're not gonna play any games or watch any videos, okay? Today I'm gonna just talk to you. Okay, so this is my real voice. I decided to show you, but my real face or my real country, nah, I'm not sure. That Yeah, I like Serbian rap, but yes, I'm not Serbian, of course. So, okay, I decided to tell you that I'm from Europe, my favorite continent, Europe. Okay, and this is my favorite computer picture or PC picture. You can call it whatever you want. So this is a little mix of survivors and zombies in Left 4 Dead. So on first infected is Smoker with two pistols. Second is Boomer. First is Smoker. Second is Boomer. He has, what the fuck is this? Oh, it's a M16, I think. Okay. And third is the witch with the sniper, and the fourth is hunter with shotgun and some pills. Okay, YouTube, goodbye. And Schammy is out.